This is a challenging question to get through in 2 minutes, and if we want to have any chance to do that, we're going to have to prove that each of the statements is not sufficient on its own very quickly. So we should start by setting up a Carroll's diagram, as always, also known as a double set matrix. We have here side effects, no side effects, total, and relief, no relief, total. We'll put 100 in the total because we're talking about a percent out of the total. And we'll put an X for the total side effects and a Y for the total relief. Now the question wants to know what percent of 100, what percent of the total had both. So we have a question mark there in that top left cell. And now it's time to look at the statements. Now the reason I said that we should quickly prove that neither statement is sufficient on its own is because each of those statements just gives us one of the cells in that middle column for the no side effects. And with just one of those cells, whether you have 30 in the top or 15 in that neither nor cell, there's just no possible way to make any inferences about the question mark. So if we can quickly get to C versus E, then we stand a chance to solve this fully in under 2 minutes. So let's look at combining both statements now. If we have the 30 and the 15 in that middle column, we can infer that the total percent of people with no side effects is 45, which leaves us 55% for people with side effects. So I have a 55 there for the total people with side effects, but I want to know just what's the question mark out of the 55. In other words, in what way does the 55 get split between relief and no relief? So I'm going to take one more look at everything that I know and ask myself, is there any way for me to tell what the split looks like? Of the 55% who have side effects, what's the split between relief and no relief? And I realize I can't even tell whether most of those 55 did experience relief or most did not experience relief. Like I can't even tell which is bigger, and therefore I'm going to go ahead and pick answer choice E. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.